Home decluttering refers to the process of organizing and removing unnecessary items from your home to create a more functional, peaceful, and efficient living space. Home decluttering involves sorting through belongings, deciding what to keep, donate, or discard. The goal is to simplify and streamline your living space, making it more functional, aesthetically pleasing. Why home decluttering is important. Decluttering helps you organize your belongings, making it easier to find what you need. This can save you time and reduce the stress associated with searching for items. A clutter-free space can contribute to a sense of calm and tranquility. It minimizes visual and mental distractions, promoting a more relaxed atmosphere. Decluttering helps you make the most of the available space in your home. Cleaning becomes more efficient in a clutter-free environment. Clutter is often associated with feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. So reducing it can contribute to a more positive and peaceful mindset. How to declutter your home. Start with the box method. The box method, in decluttering, is a systematic approach to sorting and organizing belongings. It involves using boxes or containers to categorize items as you go through the decluttering process. This method helps you make decisions about what to keep, donate, discard in a more efficient manner. Here's a basic outline of how the box method works. Before you begin, gather boxes, labels, trash bags, and any other supplies you might need for sorting and organizing. Label each box or container with a specific category. Label them, keep, donate, and discard. Go through each area of your home, room by room, and start sorting items into the labeled boxes. Be decisive and avoid getting bogged down by sentimental attachments. If you haven't used or needed an item in a long time, consider letting it go. Keep box. Items that you want to keep and continue using. Donate box. Items that are in good condition but no longer needed by you. Discard box. Items that are broken, unusable, or not suitable for donation. Once you've sorted through all your belongings, take action on each box. Keep. Find a designated place for these items in your home. Donate. Drop off the items at a donation center or schedule a pickup. Discard. Collect and sort recyclable items before sending it to trash bin. After decluttering, make an effort to maintain the organization by regularly reassessing your belongings. Tackling one area at a time is a key principle in effective decluttering. It's best to break down the process into smaller, more manageable tasks by focusing on one specific area or room at a time. This approach can make the overall process less overwhelming and more achievable. The thought of decluttering an entire house or apartment can be daunting. Focusing on one area at a time allows you to set achievable goals. Completing a single room provides a sense of accomplishment, motivating you to continue decluttering. This approach also helps those with busy schedules to fit decluttering into manageable time slots. Each area of your home has its own unique set of items and challenges. It allows you to stay concentrated on the task at hand without constantly shifting your attention to other areas. Each area becomes purposeful, and the overall result is a well-designed and harmonious living environment. Why letting go of duplicates is important. Duplicates unnecessarily occupy space that could be used more efficiently for other items or activities. By letting go of duplicates, you create room for items that serve different purposes or contribute more to your daily life. Streamline decision-making. Having fewer duplicates streamlines decision-making. You won't have to repeatedly choose between similar items, making it easier to find and use what you need. Save time and effort. Searching for the right item among duplicates can be time-consuming. How to let go of duplicates. First, identify duplicates. Conduct a thorough inventory of your belongings to identify duplicates. This includes items like kitchen utensils, clothing, electronics, and household supplies. Consider how often you use each item. If you find that you consistently reach for one item over its duplicate, it may be a sign that you don't need both. If you have duplicates of items you love, prioritize keeping your favorites. This applies to clothing, kitchen tools, and other personal possessions. Consider donating duplicates that are in good condition to charitable organizations or selling them. This allows someone else to benefit from the items and can be a sustainable way to reduce waste. Maintaining a clutter-free and organized living space requires ongoing effort and mindful habits. Here are some easy tips for maintaining decluttering. Daily decluttering routine. Set aside a few minutes each day for a quick decluttering session. Tidying up regularly prevents clutter from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. One in, one out rule. Adopt the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, consider letting go of a similar item. This helps maintain a balance and prevents unnecessary accumulation. Declutter as you go. Make a habit of decluttering as you go about your day. If you notice something out of place or no longer needed, take a moment to put it back or discard it. Set regular decluttering dates. Schedule regular decluttering sessions in your calendar. This could be weekly or monthly, depending on your needs. Use these sessions to tackle specific areas or categories. Mindful shopping. Be mindful of your purchases. Before buying something new, consider if it adds value to your life. Avoid impulse buying and only acquire items that align with your needs and preferences. Involve the whole household. Establish shared responsibilities and encourage a collective effort. Practice the 10-minute rule. If you have a few spare minutes, use them for a quick decluttering task. Whether it's a newly organized drawer or a clutter-free countertop, small wins contribute to overall success. Consistency and small efforts over time can lead to lasting organization and a more peaceful living environment. In summary, home decluttering is a process that goes beyond simply cleaning up your space. It has numerous psychological, emotional, and practical benefits that contribute to an improved quality of life. Remember, decluttering is not just about getting rid of items but also about simplifying your life, reducing stress and making room for what truly matters to you. Thank you for watching and happy decluttering. Please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring videos.